On today's episode, I will show you how to make spring-themed Japanese bento box. This will be a perfect bento box to take out for Hanami-style picnic. Elevate your lunch experience with this colorful bento that I will show you today. So let's get started! Like many other bentos, rice will be a base for this bento. So I will start by cooking my rice with a rice cooker. If you want to cook your rice using a pot and stove, the link is in the description. It will take about 25 minutes to have my rice cooked. Meanwhile, I will prepare the toppings. Here are snow peas. You can also use vegetables like green beans. Break the stem off of the snow peas and pull the strings. Boil snow peas. Cut into small pieces diagonally. I will slice my carrot and cut out into sakura-shaped pieces using a cutter. Save these leftovers. They can be used in other dishes. I will use them for my fresh juice ingredients. Place sliced carrots into a microwave-safe container. Then add a teaspoon of sugar and a teaspoon of butter. Cover it with plastic wrap and microwave for 2 minutes at 500 watt. Now I will make scrambled eggs. Beat 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and a pinch of salt together in a cup. Add the oil to a pot and heat on medium. Pour the egg mixture into the pot and scramble them with the chopsticks. I will use 3 pairs of chopsticks to make scrambled eggs. With this chopstick method, you can create small crumbles of eggs which will look good on your bento. Cook until they are set but still soft. Transfer the egg to the bowl and set aside. I will cook ground chicken now. Place the ground meat in a pot. Add mirin, sugar, and soy sauce to the meat and heat on medium heat. Traditionally, ground chicken is used in this recipe, but you can also use ground beef or turkey. Cook until most of the liquid has been absorbed into the meat. Let's serve in a bento box. Place cooked rice first. Then arrange the eggs, ground chicken, green peas, and carrots on top of the rice, covering the entire surface. Finally, wrap the bento box with a wrapping cloth. With a wrapping cloth, you can carry the bento box and lay it out as a placemat when you eat. Did you enjoy my bento recipe? If you'd like to watch more bento ideas, please let me know by leaving a comment. Thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV. See you in my next video. Bye bye.